Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the DL Dynamite Derby where the skies played a part and the ground echoed with cheers. Team NC and Team DC locking horns in a spectacle where every ball was a tale in itself.
The air was thick with anticipation as the storm clouds gathered. Two teams, poised on the edge of destiny, set to etch their saga on the emerald green. A classic tussle under the watchful eyes of the cricketing gods awaited.
Without our cherished event advertisers, this cricketing thrill would have been a mirage. Their support, much like a steadfast all-rounder, keeps the spirit of the game vigorously alive.
Top Cricket Store makes the heart of every fan beat faster, a one-stop shop mirroring the savings in every blistering shot. SMK Global, blending health and vigor, much like a well-curated inning. And North Jersey Youth Cricket Academy, shaping young talent, sharp as a spinner's turn.
NC, after being put to the sword, posted a modest tally, with DC's bowlers turning the screws. Lele was decisive with the ball, leaving NC's batsmen grasping. Then, DC's batsmen, under a darkening sky, took their stance, ending the chase with a deluge of runs before rain rewrote the script.
It was a duel of attrition and assault. NC tried to stitch a respectable score, but DC's bowlers, like maestros of swing and seam, played the right notes. When DC charged with the bat, the clouds conspired, and the Duckworth-Lewis method turned kingmaker, crowning DC before the heavens opened up.
NC's innings was a tapestry of struggle against a disciplined DC attack. Kanumuri and Weguru had a last stand, adding a stitch of hope to a wavering total.
Amidst the tangle of wickets, DC's bowlers spun a web with precision. Lele, the craftsman, chipped away with grace, throwing NC's plans into disarray with his maiden over as the cherry on top.
DC's response was lightning quick, led by Mishra and Patibandla. Their partnership was an electric fuse, sparking an aggressive chase that left NC grasping at shadows.
The DC batsmen wielded their willows like warriors in a blitz, while NC's bowling lacked the venom, failing to defend their citadel. The rain's arrival was imminent, as were DC's victory chants.
Lele was the architect of the collapse, weaving spells that beguiled NC's warriors. Patibandla then launched an assault that left the opposition's hopes in tatters.
Patibandla's blitzkrieg with the bat and Lele's guile with the ball sculpted DC's triumph. Their heroics turned the tide, turning them into the architects of victory.
Team DC emerged victorious, the thunderous rain playing a cameo in the script. A 13-wicket win via DL, a testament to their supremacy on the day.
As the raindrops clapped on the ground, DC's jubilation was electric. The DL method illustrated victories fade DC, champions of the day against NC's valiant, yet insufficient, total. In the end, the match was a flurry of emotional highs. DC's exhilaration contrasted with NC's introspection, a cricketing theatre that left fans yearning for more such blockbuster clashes.
As we close the chapter on this DL Dynamite Derby, DC's spirited performance shall be etched in memory. A reminder that in cricket, as in life, you must seize the moment, rain or shine.